Alright, today we are doing the 1 tons over the knuckle premium steering kit from Stinky Fabs. I'm going to be changing all that out. Oops, I just took a picture. Changing out all this old crap, bent that tire rod. There's junk, the stock tire rod, so definitely want to upgrade to at least a V8 from a ZJ from I think it's a 98. It's a lot heavy dutier, or you just get a Stinky Fabs or any other kit. Okay. Break the old keys off, don't need them. Oh, but then you got issue with that over here. I think it's bigger. Is it bigger or I'm just hitting that key? Alright, we already got the other side off. Oh, that was a bit wrong. I need a ratchet, Dad. What? Oh, yeah. Alright, now we just gotta take the pitman arm one off. And after this, we gotta ream the holes for the knuckles, because they're tiny little junk shit. Hammer. Ugh, it's awkward to hit. Dad, hold this side up. What?
Put it on the side.
Hit it on the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's there. That's pretty much everything we'd be changing right here. Those two pieces. This is what we're going with. You'll see the difference. Oh, and my transmission mount from SFR. Oh, wait. Stinky Fab Racing. And change all that out. Got the steering stabilizer bracket. Alright, where's that reamer? Well, I'm gonna get the reamer. We're gonna drill out that hole, the pitman arm hole, and the hole over there. And we'll try to connect it all back together. I'll be back. Alright, so we got that one drilled out, got the pitman arm drilled out, then our drill died. So just waiting to get this one drilled out. Took off my double steering stabilizer. It ain't gonna work with this. The setup I'm going with. You don't need those anyways. But we'll be back once we get the installation going. Get everything bolted back up. Alright, we got all of it pretty much bolted up. All of them drilled out. Trying to just get it aligned as best as we can. And they forgot to send one jam nut for the pitman arm. So now I gotta go to the store, go get a jam nut. So we'll be back. And kind of figured that. They didn't have the fucking net. Useless store. TSC. No good anymore. Used to be good, but now they suck. I got pepperoni sticks, some orange juice. We're gonna have to go check a different store. Like I said, it's not their fault. Shit happens. Sometimes they forget to pack stuff. Not a big deal. Good thing it was only just a lock nut. Or sorry, a jam nut. We'll figure it out. Alright, so we're back at the house. We got everything bolted up. Got the steering stabilizer. It's alright, it's nighttime, but everything's done. Everything's ready to go. And on the next video, we will be doing our fabs racing transmission mount. And that's about it. So thanks for watching. Remember, stay safe, stay muddy, and we'll see you next time.